Are you looking for the perfect camera that fits right in your pocket, but still delivers top-tier performance? Well, today we're diving into 5 incredible point-and-shoot cameras that promise to pack a punch without weighing you down. Whether you're an adventurer, a travel enthusiast, or a vlogger on the go, there's something here for everyone. Number 5. Sony ZV1, Vlogging on the Go. Finally, if you're a content creator or vlogger, the Sony ZV1 might just be your new best friend. Imagine you're on a solo trip, capturing your experiences as you go. You need a camera that's lightweight, easy to use, and produces professional quality content. The ZV1 is all that and more. With a high-resolution sensor and a fast, high-quality lens, it excels in various lighting conditions. Designed with vloggers in mind, it features a vari-angle LCD screen and a built-in microphone for crystal-clear audio. The ZV1's autofocus is fast and reliable, ensuring you always get the shot you need, whether it's a spontaneous moment or a planned shoot. And with 4K video capabilities, your content will stand out with vibrant, sharp visuals. Number 4. Olympus Tough TG6, built for the extreme. Ever thought about capturing the vibrant world beneath the waves or the rugged beauty of a snow-covered landscape? The Olympus Tough TG6 is built to withstand the harshest conditions, from underwater depths to freezing mountaintops. With its waterproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof design, the TG6 is an adventurer's best friend. It doesn't just survive in tough environments, it thrives, offering excellent image quality even in low light. Its macro capabilities allow you to capture the tiniest details, making it perfect for nature lovers. The TG6 also features 4K video recording and Pro Capture mode, ensuring you never miss that perfect shot, no matter how fast the action unfolds. Number 3. Panasonic Lumi X80, your versatile travel companion. Imagine you're on a whirlwind trip, one day exploring ancient ruins, the next capturing the vibrant nightlife. The Panasonic Lumi XZS80 is designed for such adventures. With its powerful zoom lens, you can shoot expansive landscapes and distant details with ease. Even in low light, the ZS80's high-resolution sensor doesn't disappoint, producing sharp, noise-free images. It's also a great companion for video, allowing you to record in 4K, ensuring your memories are captured with stunning clarity. The ZS80's tilting touchscreen and intuitive interface make it user-friendly for beginners, yet customizable for more advanced photographers. And with its robust build, this camera is ready to accompany you on any journey. Number 2. Canon PowerShot G5X Mark II, compact yet capable. Picture this, you're exploring a bustling city, and you want a camera that can keep up without being bulky. The Canon PowerShot G5X Mark II is your answer. It's compact, portable, and built for enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on image quality. Its 1-inch sensor ensures you capture vivid, detailed photos, even in low light. The high-quality zoom lens gives you the flexibility to shoot everything from wide-angle cityscapes to close-up portraits. And when it comes to video, the G5X Mark II doesn't disappoint with 4K capabilities and Canon's renowned dual-pixel CMOS technology, ensuring smooth, precise focus every time. For those who prefer a traditional shooting experience, the pop-up electronic viewfinder is a game-changer, especially under bright sunlight. Number 1. Sony RX100 VII, the Tiny Titan. Imagine being on a hike, reaching the peak just as the sun begins to set. You want to capture this breathtaking moment, but all you have is a compact camera. Would it be up to the task? Enter the Sony RX100 VII. Despite its small size, this camera is a powerhouse. With a 1.0-inch Exmor RSCMOS sensor paired with the latest BIONZX image processor, it delivers exceptional image quality, even in the most challenging lighting conditions. The RX100 VII doesn't just stop at still images, it offers 4K video recording, making it perfect for capturing those fast-paced moments in stunning detail. Whether you're photographing wide-angle landscapes or zooming in on distant wildlife, its versatile Zeiss Vario Sonnar T24 200mm/2.8 4.5 lens has got you covered. Plus, With features like real-time tracking and eye autofocus, your shots will always be on point.